Hi, my name is Keith, a technician with USACLEAN for over 11 years. And this beauty right here is an x16CE carpet extractor. Now in this video series, I'm going to show you some tips and tricks on how to keep your machine running at peak performance, and it's also going to help you minimize the cost and need of sending a service tech. So you have a broken or a damaged belt and you need to replace it. The first step is remove the belt cover by removing the 4 Phillips head screws. Okay, now you can remove the belt cover. Just don't lose the screws. And that exposes the belt and the motor. Now your next step you're going to want to do is take a 5mm Allen wrench and loosen all 4 of the 5mm Allen bolts. So now that we've loosened up the 4 Allen head bolts, what you're going to want to do is take some of that tension off the belt. So just grab it and pinch it, and that should relieve most of the tension there so that you can take and rotate that belt off of your motor pulley. Now just be super careful not to pinch your fingers. Just like that. So now that we have the belt off of the motor pulley, the next step is going to be removing these 2 Phillips head screws underneath your machine by your brush roll, and that will expose the rest of your belt. Now you can just remove this plate. Next step is we're going to remove the brush roll by unhooking it from the clamp side first, and then removing it and pulling it out from the pulley kit. Now you just set that off to the side. So now what we want to do is we want to take our pulley kit and just slide it down along with the belt and feed the belt through where the belt cover goes. And then what you can do is you replace your broken belt or your damaged belt or your worn belt just like that. Slide the new belt back on the pulley kit and then feed the new belt back up through where the belt cover goes and slide your pulley kit back into its little place. And now what you want to do is you want to replace your brush roll. Put it on the pulley kit side first, and then push it back up into the clamp. Make sure everything is level and flush. Then you want to take your cover, put that back on using the screws that you took out. And then you work your way back over to the belt cover side. So now we need to feed the belt onto the motor pulley. Fairly simple to do. Just take it on the top side here and try to get it started. Now remember, watch your fingers. Get it started and make sure that the belt is all the way on the pulley. So now what you need to do is you get yourself a flathead screwdriver, or I have a punch. We're going to use this to put a little tension on the belt. And then you're going to tighten down one of these 5mm Allen head screws. You see how tight that belt is getting right there? That's what you want. And once you get that first one good and tight, you can go ahead and remove your help tool right there and tighten down the rest of them. Now the last step is putting the brush cover back on. So just slide that sucker back over your belt and take the 4 screws that you took out and put them back in. And you're done. You just replaced the belt on your carpet extractor. Once again, my name is Keith. For all the parts listed in this video, plus thousands of diagrams and how-to repair guides, be sure to click the link in the description below or visit us on the web at USACLEAN.com. Now, if you like what you watch, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for future videos. Stay safe and thanks for watching.